Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. It is Day, back again with another video for y'all, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review, and I'm so excited. I got this wig the other day. I cannot say this name, but it's Persephone? I'm not sure, but it looks like this, and it's like the most expensive wig I've ever bought. It was $116, and I do like the highest I've ever spent on a wig, I think, was like $69 or something like that. And they had a 20% off, so I'm not even sure. But I've never spent over $100 for a wig, so I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look on me. It's supposed to be like a natural black, like curly, like wig. So I'm really excited, and it's human hair, and I'm just so freaking excited to open this already. Yeah, I just want to go ahead and get into it. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, so Persephone or Persephone, if y'all want to sponsor me, go ahead and holla at your girl, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this because I'm dying to see what it looks like, because if it don't look how I want it to look, then it's going back to Amazon, trust that. Before I go ahead and open this, y'all give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be fire. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on because it's always sunny on this side. Alright guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. And I cut the sides already, but I didn't open it. So look at the top, it looks like this. So it's in like packaging. And the wig is in this, and they gave me a wig cap, which is awesome. So I'm gonna take it out of this now. Oh my gosh, so this is what it looks like. First impressions, oh my gosh, the hair is super soft, it's super pretty. Like, it has a net on it, so I'm taking the net off. Oh, it's so freaking gorgeous. Like, I love this already. And then, oh, okay, let me see. Okay, so it's like let me show y'all. It's like a lace front, and then it has that like, yes, where you can pluck it and just make it your own. I'm actually gonna put it on for you guys. I'm gonna take this wig off and put this one on just to show y'all what it really looks like. But I'm very excited. Like, I feel like this is cute. You can do like the little wet look that's very popular right now. And it's just like a natural, I thought it was black, but it's like brown in the light. So it's like a natural color, I guess. So I'm gonna take my wig off and then come back and show y'all what the wig look like on me. Oh my God. So this is what the wig looks like on my head, and first impressions, I don't know, I don't really like, I don't know, I'm not gonna say I don't do curly, but I really like wavy type of hair. I don't really like super curly, and I feel like this is like really curly, like something I don't really go for, but I think it's cute. It has that like kind of part where you can just make it your own. It has the lace, and I feel like, you know, you can do your little baby hair and really just make it come to life. It's really soft. It's not like it's shedding a little bit, like you see that? It's shedding like a little bit. This is like 2 strands of hair, but it's nothing major. It's super cute. I like this a lot. And I don't own a black wig right now, like nothing natural. I just have like colors, like, because I don't really buy black wigs. But this is so cute to me, and I think when I like, you know, pluck it and do everything I have to do with it, and you do like the wig cap method and all of that, I think it'd be super cute. And then if I decide to do like the wet look and have it like with the eco gel and the mousse and stuff, I think it's gonna be super cute. I like this a lot. So yeah, I mean, when I'm ready to wear it, I guess I'll give y'all an update at some point whenever I do decide to actually wear the wig, because I'm not gonna wear it we're quarantined. I'm not going nowhere, and I would like to wear this when I'm like out and about, actually doing stuff, actually like, you know, being active outside. So I'm not gonna wear it now. But yeah, good job. I like this a lot, actually. I feel like it could be my hair. Some people think I'm mixed. I ain't mixed, honey, but yeah. I wonder, can you like, oh, it has like multiple. It has like multiple parts, which is great. Like, look at that. You can wear it like that. You can wear it any type of way you want to. In the middle, on the side. You can put it up like that. Ooh, I like this. I feel pretty. I feel like a cute girl. Damn, all of this gotta go. But this is some cute hair, and it's not too like, it's not too much. I mean, like, this tag is annoying. I need to cut that off. But it's not like too much, you know? Like, it's not a lot of curly hair, so it's still like manageable. And that's how I look on the back. Yeah, I love this hair so much right now. Yeah, and I like that it's not like a lot. Like, you put it in a ponytail, that's not a lot of hair. Usually with curly hair, people go overboard and it's like so much, like it's just big and it's like a lot of hair. And I like with this, it's not a lot, but it still like serves its purpose and it gives you that look that you're looking for. This is really cute. About to be serving looks. Okay. But yeah, I like this a lot. Go ahead on, Persephone? I have no idea how you say this freaking name, but yeah. So this is a super short review. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna give y'all an update whenever I decide to wear the wig, which is not now. But first impressions, I like it a lot. I think it's really cute, and I think what I say is worth it. I guess I don't know yet, just depending on like how the wear is. That's when I'll like say, is it worth it or not? But so far so good. I love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very short wig review video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, you won't miss it. And make sure you follow me on my social medias because I'm on there every single day. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.